544 million.
Shillings, not dollars.
Kenya shillings?
Yes.
Excellent.
Yeah, because Tanzanian shillings also would be different.
You say your national ID is on the way?
Yes, it's on the way.
You'll give it to us when it arrives. I will... my last question is, what are your current and anticipated sources of income?
At the moment, I am an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. I practice law. I am also a business person running a number of businesses, SMEs, and I'm also a consultant for local and international organizations.
I'll open the floor by inviting you. My clerk didn't hear your net worth. And she's the
My net worth, Mr. Chairman, honorable members, is 544 million Kenya shillings.
Made up of real estate, bank deposits?
Made up of landed buildings, around 165 million. It's also made up of bank deposits, about 50 million Kenya shillings, investments in shares, and deposits in 5 different circles.
Thank you. Now you have your 10 minutes to address this House. We are not the Sanhedrin, we are just a committee of parliament.
On the question of my law firm, I would like to respond as follows. With regard to the PSC report, which has been referred to by the Honorable Pio and I have practiced law for 22 years. I have never been involved in any professional misconduct whatsoever. With regard to the report which he is talking about, reference was made to a payment which was made to my law firm of 500,000 shillings. That payment was not made by any company, leave alone a company that supplied NYS. It was made by a friend of mine and a colleague called Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen. And this is the story. Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen owed me 500,000 shillings, which I had lent him. And I went and asked him to pay me back. And he wrote me a check. That's it. Period. As to the 15 million shillings of the Honorable Pio Wandai is saying, I am not aware. I think he's confusing my law firm with another law firm. I'm very clear. I am extremely clear. And I would like him to clarify, Mr. Speaker, because this is a public process. I don't want to live here with Kenyans imagining that I obtained 15 million shillings from the proceeds of crime. 500,000 shillings, was I paid? Yes. By out of the box? No. By Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen, who owed me a friendly loan of 500,000 shillings, because at that time we were borrowing money from each other, which happens among colleagues. I'm sure even these MPs, they owe each other some money. So that is the short story around that issue, Mr. Chairman. The Honorable Leader of Majority asked me whether I would be proud and arrogant. The answer is no. I believe that the ultimate trait of leadership is humility. And most people tend to confuse humility with cowardice. The two are not related. We'll be humble. We'll submit ourselves to all authorities, starting with the appointing authority, His Excellency the President, my colleagues, but also arms of government, including this House. And I say this with a bit of pride because I've been a member of one of the Houses of Parliament for 10 years. I do appreciate and recognize the critical role that Parliament plays in oversighting the executive and also pushing for accountability within government. I will remain a servant not only of this country, but also of the institutions that have been set up under our Constitution and our law, so that I can effectively discharge my mandate as Cabinet Secretary for the Interior and National Administration. I will obey summons and invites and comply with all directions of Parliament and relate well with my now former colleagues, because it is a symbiotic relationship, and the services we offer from the executive, from the legislature, from the judiciary are services to make our country better, and they are symbiotic and related. I will not be proud. I'll be humble, but extremely firm, because this docket is extremely sensitive, and all the other sectors of the nation rely on a safe country. So humility should not be mistaken for cowardice. I'll be extremely firm and ruthless with the wrong people, because 99% of our people are law-abiding. The 1% that are lawbreakers, will be extremely ruthless with them, and we will speak very little about or with them, and will act decisively, ruthlessly,